If you are trying to access or use Discord for Monopoly Go, here is how you can do it. So first thing first, launch any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar type in Monopoly Go Discord. You will see Discord Monopoly Go, and I suggest open a new tab. Get logged into your Discord account via a web browser. Once you're logged into your Discord account in a new tab, you will see Discord Monopoly Go at this section as you have searched for it. So let's go ahead and open this link. And just as you tap onto that link, you will see you've been invited to join Monopoly Go. All you have to do is tap on Accept Invite. So tap onto Accept Invite, wait for this to load, and now you will be redirected to a server by Monopoly Go. You can go ahead and explore the server. If you're not being able to see this link, then here is some settings that you should edit. First thing first, launch your settings application. The section, scroll all the way below, tap onto apps, locate Discord. Tap onto Discord, scroll below, then tap on this set as default. Make sure this link is unchecked. Launch your Chrome application again and try this process again. As you try it, it will directly show you a pop-up. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.